There's a lot going on right now, guys, with Jerome Powell and Donald Trump, interest rates, inflation. Trump doesn't like Powell. Powell is playing hardball. He doesn't want to budge on his philosophy. A lot going on right now. And guys, hit the like button, subscribe down below. We're going to dive into all of it for you guys in this quick updated video. Coming at you live from NYC out here at Permissionless. Had a full day yesterday. Unbelievable. Tons of developers out here, spoke with people from Render, from Flow Blockchain, from Core. Aptos is out here in droves. Uniswap. It's been awesome. And so definitely going to be giving you guys some updates and information from all of this as well. And make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. You don't want to miss out on anything. And check out my X page as well. Link down below. We're doing a bunch of spaces. Probably going to have some of these people who I just met here yesterday out on some spaces in the future. Great place to learn about crypto in addition to the videos we put out right here on YouTube. So Jerome Powell recently had some things to say. It is bullish for crypto. All of this actually is bullish for crypto. Even the fact that Donald Trump is going against Jerome Powell right now. But just in recently, Fed Chair Jerome Powell says future trade deals may allow the Federal Reserve to cut interest rates. So he's basically eyeing some future trade deals, which, by the way, have some deadlines coming up next month in terms of the tariffs and everything going on that front. He thinks that they could be cutting interest rates sooner rather than later once some of these trade deals are set in place. And I continue to say that as long as Jerome Powell is in place, I think we're going to get a rate cut, but it won't be until the back half of this year at one of, if not both of, those final meetings. Now, we've got some more information to share with you guys because all while this is happening, Jerome Powell seemingly is trying to maybe save his job right now. So let me take you inside some of the most recent posts over on X, guys, and give you guys some updates in terms of what's going on. So Coin Bureau recently putting out this literally 4 minutes ago. Jerome Powell, President Trump says he's started interviewing candidates to replace Fed Chair Jerome Powell. So maybe Powell is switching his tunes because he knows he's on the hot seat. He has 3 to 4 specific names in mind for the new Fed chair position, according here to Coin Bureau. Grant Cardone chiming in saying Fed Chairman Jerome Powell should resign today. There's no inflation, and he continues to punish the American middle class with high mortgage rates. Get out of the way of Donald Trump and Trump administration so the American middle class can start buying homes again. Your policies have caused enough damage already. Step down now. So Fox News is putting out a ton here. Today's a great day to fire Jerome Powell, coming from Tommy Tuberville. Guys, it is just basically all of the people in the Trump administration teaming up on Jerome Powell right now. Trump just went off on, quote, low IQ, terrible Fed Chair Jerome Powell. I think he's a very stupid person, actually. For years, we're going to be paying for him. We're going to end up paying 2 points or 3 points more. 3 points would be $900 billion a year because of the way of this average mental person and a low IQ for what he does. Instead of paying $900 billion just because he doesn't want to lower the rates. If there's inflation in 2 to 3 years, you raise the rate. But he's probably a very political guy. This is very interesting. And here's another perspective here. I didn't know this. Why is Jerome Powell spending money on renovations while holding rates high and choking Americans? Powell's reckless $1.9 billion renovations warrant a full-fledged investigation. He's allegedly spending $1.9 billion on renovations, including rooftop garden terraces, on-water, ornate water features, new elevators that drop board members off directly in their VIP dining suite, use of white marble, rooftop Italian beehives, all kind of stuff. This coming from Fox Business. So, listen, I don't know, who's right, who's wrong in all of this, and probably nobody's right, nobody's wrong. It's just a difference in philosophy. But I do know one thing: the markets need interest rate cuts, and whether it's the right time to do it or not, I think it's debatable, right? You could be on either side of this. You could be somewhere in the middle. But asking the question, when will the markets really open up and we get to see liquidity flood back into the markets? We get to see retail investors having more money in their pockets to invest in crypto and stocks and go on vacation and do these sort of things. This is only going to happen when interest rates get lowered. And we're going to continue to track this, but it feels as if Jerome Powell now is changing his tune as it relates to the rates. And I think that's because Donald Trump is basically saying that he's on the hot seat. We know that Trump has fired a ton of people, not only just on The Apprentice, but in real life as well. But we'll be keeping tabs on all of this. Appreciate you guys for watching the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.